Hi everyone, my name is Tanisha and today I'm going to be making a chocolate mug cake by Em's Kitchen. So for the ingredients, you'll be needing 3 tablespoons of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. So first we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of flour, and then the cocoa powder, and then the sugar. I'm just going to mix those until they're well combined. Now we're going to add the 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're just going to mix that up as well. And now we're just going to add the 1 tablespoon of oil and then I'm just going to mix those up until it's just well combined. Mix it well so that there's no clumps. Now I'm just going to add chocolate, but you guys can add Nutella. And I'm just going to add 1 or 2 pieces in. Now it's ready to go into the microwave. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So now we're going to take it out and see and let it cool. But before trying it, just let it cool and then test it to see if it's been baked properly. Now that it's cooled, I'm going to try it. It looks really good, guys. Like, it looks super moist. So I'm gonna try it now. It's really good. It's really nice and soft. Now I'm gonna break into the middle where it has all the chocolate in it. I can't see the chocolate. So guys, I found the chocolate now, and I'll show you it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. So guys, the chocolate mug cake has been a success. I really enjoyed it. It was super moist, but I think I could have added a bit more chocolate so that there was more like creaminess inside. But although it's a thumbs up from me and I really liked it, and I recommend you guys to try this recipe. But if you enjoyed the video, please like and please subscribe for more videos. Bye.